You telling me you built a time machine out of a DeLorean?
Hey, what's up with the do? It's your girl KB and welcome to my channel. You already know what to do. Click the subscribe button down below, y'all. For real. So in today's video, y'all, of course I'm gonna be doing another makeup look or whatever. And I know I've been going for a little hot second, y'all, but my life has been going like for the past like 2-3 weeks. So I had to like recuperate and get it together. So I am here, I'm back, I'm better. What's popping? Okay, so let's get into this look, y'all. Okay, y'all, so now I ain't gonna lie to you guys, like I've been drinking this wine and now my nails, y'all, and I don't have any wine glasses because for some reason like they all vanished or they're all disappeared, like, and so I went to get some plastic cups and I filled it with wine. Period. So I'm just going in with this Milani concealer in the shade Warm Tan, and I'm just cleaning up my brows with this. Okay, y'all, so what I'm about to do is go in with this James Charles palette, y'all. And I'm not gonna go like too crazy, y'all. Like I want to do color and I want to go like extravagant, but my braids, like my roots, are not like looking too good right now, so I don't want to like go like full throttle when I'm not looking too good at the roots. So I think what I'm going to do is, y'all, I really don't know. Let me think of something real quick and then I'm gonna come back. Okay, so I took this palette in this shade, y'all, and I can't help but to go like full throttle. But so I took this shade, like this, I don't even know what shade it is, y'all. I really don't. I just know it's in the James Charles palette. So I'm about to go in with this next shade, y'all. I'm probably gonna do like brown seas. I don't know. I really don't know. I'm still trying to figure it out. So I'm gonna take this next shade, y'all, and I'm just gonna go like right underneath that. And I'm gonna just like blend and pack it on like right underneath here. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna take like this dark brown, y'all, and I'm just gonna like sweep it up into the corners of my eye. And I'm gonna take that brush that I used with that other shade, y'all, and I'm just gonna like blend it out. Okay, so what I am going to do is take this yellow shade, y'all, and I'm just gonna like brush it, or just tap it up into this orange or whatever shade this is, y'all. And I'm just gonna tap it in. I'm not gonna go like all the way around, but I'm gonna stop like right about there. And I'm just gonna tap and blend it in. Okay, so what I did was take some little concealer and I just like put like a little drop, whatever, on like the inner corner of my eye. and I just like, you know, blended it out with this Morphe M167 brush. So I didn't want like a crisp cut crease, so you know, I just kind of like, you know, bullshit blended it out or whatever. So period. So I'm kind of gonna like reverse these shades and just, you know, blend them out, you know, and just go back and forth with these shades and just make sure, you know, things look blended. So I took this shade in this Morphe palette and I just took this nude, whatever, and I just placed it on the inner corners of my eye, whatever, where I did the little cut crease. And, you know, just filled it in, you know, just like that, just to give it a little. So, but should I do a liner, y'all? That's my thing. Should I do a... I'm not really good at doing a whole liner, so I'm not sure. We got to figure that part out. Okay. So, just like this, just like that. I ain't even done yet, okay? Just wait, y'all. Like, comment, and subscribe for your girl. Okay, so that's all I'm gonna do for the eyes or whatever. So, for the lashes, y'all. Okay, so I found these Profusion 5-pack. Y'all, it's the wine, y'all. It's the wine. So I found these Big T's Fullest Wispy lashes, you guys, and they were, I'm not even sure, but they had to be like $7 for 5. I swear, like $9. They came with the glue and everything. So, but I'll be using my Duo lash glue. So, y'all, these are a lucky bonus. I should have got 2 packs of them, but I didn't. So. Okay, y'all, so I got my lashes on and I took me a little, you know, intermission. And I used this Marshmallow Primer by NYX, y'all. Like, I really love this stuff. Like, it feels really smooth on the skin. Like, I really love it. It smells good. Like, so, okay, so the foundation I'm using is Milani Conceal Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. I'm just gonna put some of this on this Play and Makeup by Yolando foundation brush, and that's probably all I'm gonna use. Well, I'll probably use a little bit more, but okay, so I took the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn under the eye, and I am going to take this damp beauty blender with this NYX finishing matte setting spray, and I'm just going to blend this concealer out. I'll let the concealer sit for like 3 minutes. And I'm just gonna blend it out. Okay, y'all, so I used the Maybelline Master Fix loose setting powder, and I used the NYX Dewy Finish setting spray all over the face, and I just, you know, gave it a little, you know, just a little, you know what I mean? So next I'm gonna go in with I'm not even gonna do any highlight, you know, so I'm just gonna keep it as is and just do a little lip line, and just keep it simple, you know, just keep it my regular schmegular, my regular look, you know what I mean? So, but I don't know if I want to do a gloss or if I'm just going to do like a matte lip. I'm just going to use this Wet n Wild Cloud Pow Marshmallow Lip Mousse and place this in the center of my lip. And I'll come back in with this lip line and just blend it out. Okay, so I'm going to put a little highlight on the tip of my nose. Just a little bit, because why the fuck not? I said a little, but I'm going extra. Okay, there. Maybe that's too much. Shit. God dang it. Shit. So, damn, maybe it's a lot. God. Gee, golly. Okay, there. So that's all I'm gonna do for this look, you guys. Let me put a little something on for y'all. Give me a little. Alright, you guys, this is the final look, y'all. So all I did was just on these little gold necklaces, some hoop earrings, and this black shirt from Forever 21. Y'all do not mind my roots, so like these braids are coming down this weekend. But yeah, so if you like this look, y'all, give me a like, leave a comment, click subscribe down below, all of that stuff, period. Okay, so yeah, I am your girl KB, and I will definitely see you on the next video.